Do you know when to use look, see, and watch? Many English learners get confused by these three common words. Let's break it down. In today's lesson, you'll learn the difference through simple everyday examples that are easy to understand and remember. Let's improve your English together. Look, there is a cute cat under the car. Look, there is a cute cat under the car. Look at the sky. It's so beautiful today. Look at the sky. It's so beautiful today. Please look at me when I speak to you. Please look at me when I speak to you. I like to look at old photos in my room. I like to look at old photos in my room. Look at this dress. Do you think it fits me? Look at this dress. Do you think it fits me? Don't look out of the window during the class. Don't look out of the window during the class. I am looking at the menu to choose a drink. I am looking at the menu to choose a drink. Look at the blackboard, please. Look at the blackboard, please. She looked at her watch because she was late. She looked at her watch because she was late. Look at those flowers. They smell amazing. Look at those flowers. They smell amazing. I love to look at the stars at night. I love to look at the stars at night. Look at this map. We are here. Look at this map. We are here. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? I can see a bird on the tree. I can see a bird on the tree. Did you see my keys anywhere? Did you see my keys anywhere? Oh, I see a beautiful rainbow over there. Oh, I see a beautiful rainbow over there. I see you. You are hiding behind the door. I see you. You are hiding behind the door. Can you see the ship in the sea? Can you see the ship in the sea? I saw Emma at the supermarket yesterday. I saw Emma at the supermarket yesterday. I can't see anything without my glasses. I can't see anything without my glasses. Do you see that big sign over there? Do you see that big sign over there? I open the window and see the sunrise every morning. I open the window and see the sunrise every morning. I am happy to see you again. I am happy to see you again. Me too. It's so good to see you. She saw a famous actor in the coffee shop. She saw a famous actor in the coffee shop. Let's go outside and see what is happening. Okay, what do you think it is? Let's go outside and see what is happening. Let's go! Did you see the full moon last night? Did you see the full moon last night? I love to watch romantic movies on weekends. I love to watch romantic movies on weekends. Let's watch the football match tonight. Let's watch the football match tonight. I am watching a cooking video on YouTube. I am watching a cooking video on YouTube. I can watch the sunset from the beach. I can watch the sunset from the beach. My dad likes to watch the news every evening. My dad likes to watch the news every evening. The children love to watch cartoons. The children love to watch cartoons. I like to watch the birds flying in the park. I like to watch the birds flying in the park. Don't watch too much TV. It's bad for your eyes. Don't watch too much TV. It's bad for your eyes. We sat in the cafe and watched people passing by. We sat in the cafe and watched people passing by. My brother loves to watch live music concerts.
Oh, does he?
My brother loves to watch live music concerts.
That's wonderful.
Great job! Now you know the difference between look, see, and watch. Keep practicing these sentences in your daily conversations, and soon you'll use them naturally. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more fun English learning videos. See you in the next lesson.